So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer, Options. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on the View tab. And then you're going to scroll down. And then you're going to untick Hide Extensions for no file types. You're going to untick this and then click on OK. And now you're going to find the application that you want to block. You want to find the .exe file of it. So you have a few ways to do that. So for the first way, if your application is on your desktop, you could just right click on it and then click on Open File Location. And then it's going to be showing you your application .exe. Now another way is you could head over to search and type in your application name. You want to right click on it and then click on Open File Location. And then you want to right click on it again and then click on Open File Location again. And then it'll be showing you the .exe file. So you just want to find the .exe file of your application, or you just may already know how to find it already. So anyways, once you find that, you want to click on this, which is the file path, and then you want to copy this. So you want to click right here and then click on Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Now we've copied the file path. And now for the last step, you want to head over to search again and type in Windows Defender Firewall. Click on it. And now you want to click on Advanced Settings, and then click on Outbound Rules, and then click on New Rule. Make sure that you have Program selected, and then click on Next, and then click on Browse. Now you want to find the program path. So you just want to click right here, and then delete this. And now you want to paste the program path that you just copied right now. So Ctrl+V, and then click on Enter. Now it's going to take us to here. Now you want to select the .exe file. Double click on this. And now the program path should be selected. Click on Next. Click on Block the Connection. Next. Next again. Type in any name you want. And then click on Finish. Now you just want to restart your computer, and then you should be good to go.